Okay.
Yes, sir. We are live on YouTube, sir. We can
Yeah.
start the session.
Hello. So good evening, students. So welcome to the interactive session. So please, okay, we are done with the course. Means the lectures are over, but you may have some questions. Please feel free to ask those questions. And I hope you enjoyed the course. It's a difficult course, but um, I hope you got some 70% or 50% of the material well. Okay, so you can just start asking, unmute yourself and ask a question. There's no lecture on this, huh? So just you have to ask the question. And since the formulas are kind of, I will try to give qualitative answer. If needed, I will open the PPT, but yeah, I'll try to give qualitative answer. Yes, Sagar, Nisita.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sagar. Yes.
Sir, I have like common doubt of how will the exam pattern be, like the question pattern and weightage of each weeks, like that. It will be
Okay.
helpful because there are like so many formulas that you have to keep in mind and so many mathematical techniques we need to keep in mind.
Right, right, right.
And like so it'll be a little tough to cover everything in the syllabus. So if you get the
Mhm.
weightage, it will be helpful, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So the exam is qualitative, huh? The one which we are taking. Though a lot of this, our homeworks, weekly homeworks were objective. The last homework was subjective, and the exam will be like last homework. Okay, the homework, last one, 12. So the last homework is the prototype for the exam. And I'm not expecting you to remember all the complicated formulas. But the things like Green's function, uh, uh, energy spectrum for turbulent flows, or simple stuff like for fermions, operator algebra, bosons operator algebra. So it's a we should have qualitative understanding of field theory. That's what I expect. There will be some formulas, but not the complicated ones. Don't worry about that part. We are not going to ask you like renormalization group equation or stuff like that. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So get a general understanding of the subject, and it's
Yes, sir.
subjective. So if you we believe that if you understand the idea well, then we'll give you marks. And that split, I think Murli can respond. I think I don't remember right now. So we'll go by the formula given by NPTEL. Some 30% homework, 50% this one. So we'll follow the NPTEL distribution. Murli,
Okay,
can you?
sir.
I forgot what was the distribution of.
In the written exam, is all the week have the same weightage? Like, will there be same weightage for all the weeks?
Yes,
Or
yes. So for the homework, equal weightage, they get all added up, and the NSEM has a weightage, and based on that, we give the final grade.
in the
Yes,
written
sir.
exam, sir?
Sir,
Yes,
yeah. Can I answer the question, sir?
please, please,
Like
please.
the how this, yeah. So there are 12 assignments in our course. So best of 8 out of 12 assignments will be taken. 25% best of 8 assignments will be considered. And 75% that is um, from the final examination will be taken. So 25% plus 75% both put together will be the final score. That's how it is. It will be calculated.
Great,
So
great.
you should get a minimum of 10 in the assignments and a minimum of 30 in the final in the exam score. So both together, put together, you should get a score of 40 for receiving the e-certificate. That's how the logic calculation logic works. Hope it is clear, Sagar.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay,
Like
great.
my
Right.
question was related to the end exam, like the written exam.
Yeah,
Yes.
so I
So
told you. Go ahead.
yeah.
Go-
So you have like the last assignment 12, no? You have seen how the last assignment works. The same way examination will be there. So it will be of subjective type. You need to write the answers.
So on a paper and pencil, paper, pen, you have to write the answer. It will be scanned and sent to us. We'll grade it and submit the score to the NPTEL computer.
Exactly, sir. That's how it works, Sagar. Hope it is clear, Sagar. Nishita, do you have any doubts? Sagar, you can also ask if you have any doubts related to the subject.
Okay, so will there be a focus on a few weeks? So what is it? Sagar, maybe you can explain yourself.
Like my question is, there are 12 weeks of courses. So
Okay.
in the end written exam, will all the weeks have equal weightage, or few weeks are important and few are not?
No, I think you have to cover all the weeks.
So equal weightage in that case, right?
Well, I mean, I can't say that week 12 will have same number of questions as week 5. Okay. I
Okay.
can't say that every week will have total marks divided by 12. No, it's not possible. But there will be uh, questions from all the weeks. Okay. Or I can't tell you exactly this week is more important, you prepare that week. No. But basic concept you should know well. Okay. That's what I'm telling you. I told you Green's function, fermion,
Yes.
bosons, um, some bit of non-equilibrium. So that's what we need to know. Difference
Okay.
between equilibrium and non-equilibrium. That, yeah. Anything else?
So one more student, Shan Amir, has joined. Shan, can you unmute yourself and ask the doubts? Professor Mahendra Verma sir is here with us.
No, I have no such doubt.
Okay. Okay. So I hope you like the course.
Yes, sir,
And,
very much, sir. Very
okay.
helpful for my research.
Great, great. So where are you working?
Sir, I am working as assistant professor in Jamia Millia Islamia.
Oh, excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you.
I have done my MSc from Delhi University.
I see. Okay, sure. So it's a kind of mishmash of many things, but
But that is what the beauty of this course was. So it gives an overview of all the things. So I can now pick up from anywhere now. So it was
great.
very great in that aspect.
Okay, thank you. Hopefully, I'll put down my notes and publish something later. So I'll keep my website, keep looking at my website after 1 year. Okay, not now, but maybe something will come up.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, review article or a book. I'll try to publish, but not in 1 year, but in maybe several years. Yeah. Great. Okay, somebody else? Sagar, where do you work?
Sir, I am currently MSc second year student in NIT Surathkal.
Great. Okay, very good.
So this is actually my course completion requirement. Like
Okay, okay.
for my credit requirement, this is very important.
Great, 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 great. So do well, no? That's a but
Yes, sir.
exam will not be difficult, but please understand the basics.
Yes, sir. Actually, in my third semester, there was quantum field theory part one.
I see.
Like
Okay.
we also used Lancaster and Blundell book only.
Oh,
And
great. Okay, so you're a
but
book.
we covered only till first 18 chapters in the course.
Okay, okay.
But the statistical field theory part and the continuation, like the further from it, is new for me.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I did put some effort on that that one because very few people do this Wilson RG completely. So
Yes, sir. Yeah, actually, that was a little tough for me, but still, it was actually very helpful because this used in QED, QCD, and which is my interest also in future. So it was helpful for me in that case.
Okay, good. All right. So looks like there's no other question.
Yes, sir. Like there is no other question, but thank you for this course, sir. Actually.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. I hope, I mean, your appreciation gives me more energy. Yeah, it's an experiment which I tried, and I'm not really a field theorist. In the sense, I don't work on quantum particle physics or condensed matter physics, but I do apply to turbulence. That's my interest, and so I'm looking at a broader perspective. Now, actually, I have some more understanding after the video recording, so maybe I'll put them together at some point. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I have a doubt which is deviated from the topic actually, but my
Please
doubt
go
is
ahead.
like in the video recordings, were you teaching for a class or was it done exclusively for NPTEL? Like,
No. It was a class lecture which was recorded. So I had around 22 students in the class.
hmm.
So it was recorded in the V studio. So it was live class.
Okay. But sir, like usually all the NPTEL lectures are like 40 minutes or 1 hour usually. But
Okay.
yours was like in 17 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So that was actually motivating us. We can go through the 17 minutes video very easily than a 45 minutes lecture. So,
Right.
so how was it possible, sir? Like just these.
No. So we recorded for 1 hour, 50 minutes class. Then we cut it. So I had planned that one topic I cover so basically cover a topic. And then I take a pause. Then ask students some questions. Well, the students ask me some questions. So this is a MOOC style. In fact, that's how it should be. Not 1 hour long lecture. Because then you're losing, well, you're not able to emphasize, well, you're not able to separate the topics, especially for video lecture, no? Live, you are listening to somebody live, on the stage. But MOOC lectures are supposed to be like this. 15 minutes is the attention span for a topic on a screen.
Exactly, sir.
Lecture is
That actually
different
helped, I think.
Right. So it was intentional. Sometimes we could not do it because the topic was huge, like Wilson theory was long. So those lectures are probably 35, 40 minutes or 30 minutes. But I like to cut it in half hour, short videos. So we cut one lecture into 3 parts or 2 parts like that. Yeah. So there's some additional lectures which you can have access, which we are uploading. I think I have either uploaded right now or will be uploaded soon, which has more material.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So Murli, I think what shall we do? I mean, we wait for some more. So Shan, what do you teach? You teach particle. Well, your research topic is particle physics, condensed matter, or
My research topic also was density functional theory. So I have worked partly condensed matter physics experimental as well as theoretical.
I see. Okay.
But I am now switching over completely to theory.
Okay.
That's why I enjoy very much this Wilson theory, and I was first time I introduced to these topics.
Okay.
And from here I will pick up because I have to finally switch over to these areas. So I find it very interesting and helpful also.
Great. Okay. Okay, I think we are almost done. I think there's no other question. So Murli is around or he had moved? Harshit, he has made you the host, is it?
I think he was here, but his mic was not working.
Okay, so
Okay.
just wait for a few minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, I think he went to reconnect.
Okay, thanks to the TAs who handled the difficult course.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
So I think we can close it. Harshit, I think he said some of this last week interactions are not long, right? That's what
Yeah. Yeah, he said if there are not many participants, we can close it like
Okay.
after 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah.
Great. Okay, Shan and Sagar. So
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
yeah, good luck. Okay. See you then. Okay, for the exam. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye, everyone.